Welcome, DIKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder if the world you see is the real deal, or just a slick simulation running inside your head? Forget the obvious stuff. Let's dive into the deep end. Okay, so how do we even know this? Turns out, some pretty sharp minds have been wrestling with this for centuries. Kant basically said, hey, you're only seeing the show, not the actual stage. Think of it like watching a movie. You see the characters, the drama, but you don't get the script or the director's cut. Husserl chimed in, saying consciousness isn't just a passive mirror, it's actively building the picture we see, and Wittgenstein. He dropped the mic on language, saying our words shape our reality, not the other way around. So, the big takeaway from philosophy: we're not seeing reality directly, we're perceiving a constructed version of it. It's like trying to describe a color to someone who's never seen light tough, right? Now, let's get scientific. Your brain isn't just a fancy camera recording everything. Nope. It's more like a super smart prediction machine. Imagine you're playing a guessing game with reality. You make a guess based on what you already know, and then you check if your guess matches what comes in through your senses. If it does, bingo, you feel like you've perceived something. If not, your brain adjusts its guess. This is Bayesian logic in action. That weird blind spot in your eye. Your brain fills it in seamlessly because it's constantly predicting and filling gaps. So, the reality you experience, it's less like a high-definition feed and more like a beautifully convincing, low-resolution simulation running inside your skull. Pretty cool, huh? So, how does this all tie together into a coherent picture of consciousness? Enter Duan Yukon's DKWP model. Think of it as layers of understanding: raw data, info, knowledge, wisdom, and finally, purpose. But here's the kicker: consciousness isn't just smooth processing. It pops up when there's a glitch, a semantic bug. Like when your computer freezes, but instead of crashing, it finds a new way to run. Your brain hits a snag in its model, and suddenly, you're consciously aware, trying to fix it. Now, look at AI, like GPT. It's learning language by predicting the next word, constantly building its own internal model of the world described in text. It's doing the same thing. Same logic, different hardware. Maybe consciousness isn't unique to us after all. Alright, so if we're all living in these self-made simulations, what about truth? Can we ever know the real deal? The simulation theory suggests maybe not. Truth isn't about perfectly matching an external reality we can't access. Instead, truth becomes about the stability and coherence of our internal models. When our cognitive system closes a loop, resolves a discrepancy, feels internally consistent, that's our best shot at truth within our closed world. Science works this way too, finding bugs in old theories and creating new, more coherent ones. It's humbling, right? Our understanding is always just a better model, a more convincing illusion. But knowing that, we can strive to build even better models together.